Hey, hi. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can send a message to someone on TikTok. Now, the easiest way to send a message to someone on TikTok is you first follow him up. You first follow his account. So let me go to people I follow. That is following. I'm following 8. Then let me say I want to send a message to Charis Bible College. I click on that account. Then I click on message. And I can type here a message, hello, whatever I want to say, and then I send a message. Okay, that is one of the easiest way you can send a message to an account on TikTok. Another way is you can actually just search.
God can give you power
So
over money.
you can just search a
Many people
person
don't
like
understand.
John.
Aren't
Let me just
we
search
aren't we
Johnson.
from Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob? Aren't we from
Okay, I
them?
want to pause
Did you
this.
forget?
Okay, let me just mute it. So I can search Johnson, then I click on, okay, I think, let me just click on Johnson. So I can click on Johnson. If this one works, if you're already friends, okay, I can search friend like Johnson, then I click on a message, okay. So now note that if someone is not following you, if someone is not following you back, and this account is private, you may not be able to send him a message because some of these accounts, they kind of actually restricted to from messages which messages from people they are not friends with. In other words, some people actually block messages if you are not, if he's not following you back. Okay, and if someone didn't block that, by default that message will go into the spam. Okay, spam box. And some people actually don't check their spam boxes in TikTok. So that's why it's crucial for both of you to be following each other. But in some cases, if someone is not following you, you just have to maybe follow him first of all, because at least that one reduces the, the instances of your message actually being flagged as spam. At least you follow someone, then you send him a message. Okay, so that's the easiest way you can send someone a message on TikTok. This one usually works even if you're using a computer. For me, I'm using TikTok on a computer, but it's also the same way you can do if you're using an app on your phone. Okay, see you in the next video, and bye bye.